Okay, guys, can you see me? I'm doing a live video now. Okay. Okay, some of you have joined. Now I'm watching the market live, and we shall let me watch the market and recap what happened yesterday. Okay, now, any one of you thought that the video that I did yesterday was helpful? If you think it's helpful, just put helpful in the comment section. Let me see. Yes, Edward, thanks. Helpful, thanks, John. Hold on, guys. Yes, thanks, thank you. Hold on, let me launch the chart. Hey. Can't hear me. Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me? Actually, okay. Before I came here, actually I was outside having a meeting, and I was so busy today. There are a lot of people asking me for WhatsApp service, my program and stuff like that. So for the whole morning till now, I haven't had the time to eat, and actually I'm quite hungry. But because no choice, because my work is piling up and there's a lot of work to be done, so that took up a toll of my time. And I think the most important thing is not the work, let's just put aside. I think more importantly, the market is moving. Yesterday I was watching this stock called Ezra, and I told all of you it ran 10%, and I was watching because, you know, I have some positions inside. So today it ran a further 20% in Ezra, and I put it in this group that all of you saw earlier on. That Ezra just ran like, I think 30+% just these 2 days. But I think the most amazing call was this VAT, because yesterday when I was doing this video, VAT was about 183, 184, about there, and this morning it opened 194 or 195, I remember. 10 pips up in VAT. So I hope the video helped some of you in watching the market, etc. So, okay, give me a minute, let me prepare my charts, let me prepare my top 30 volume. Okay, hold on. And yes, so you can invite your friends in this, you can invite your friends to this video. Just click the invite button, and I think all of them is able to join and ask me questions live, okay? So one more stock that I want to share about is this Yoma. So yesterday night, during one of my workshop sessions, I shared about Yoma, and I told them, you know, the time I gave to book profits in Yoma is 10-12 in the morning, and till today, the whole market is quite bullish. Every stock ran. Yoma did not run at all. In fact, it suffered like some mini selling here and there. So timing, I emphasize again. I think in every video I do, I will always emphasize timing. So timing is really that important. Okay, guys. Okay, I shall take some questions. Okay, China MV Yuzu. Okay, give me a minute. Hold on. Okay. China MV. Okay, J, China MV is not a good stock at the moment. Don't play, don't touch, don't play, don't do anything. Jin, I don't know why there's SS error because everybody is joining now. Darren, any drop in Sino? Darren, Sino has to drop. You know why? Because he has reached the selling zone. Not only it reached the selling zone. Second thing is a lot of retailers are chasing the stock since last week. Last week, a lot of retailers were chasing the stock and it's near the high, and that is why the operators or the big fish are booking profits along the way. Okay, Genting, Ying Ying, Genting is not the stock to play. As you can watch today, the market is pretty bullish, but Genting is not moving that much high up. Okay, UOB. Okay, let me take a look. Okay, who is that guy? Yeah, Patricia. I'm looking at UOB. I am short-term bearish on UOB because there's a lot of people chasing UOB. So I'm pretty short-term bearish on UOB. I wouldn't buy at this price. I wouldn't buy at this time also. Okay. Oz Group, Ricky. Oz Group has just ran. Okay. Oz Group has just ran. Let me take a look. Yeah, Oz Group has just ran. It ran from a day low of 5.2 cents to a day high of 6.8 cents. So if you ask me now, Oz Group, I don't think I will buy Oz Group now. Okay. Valiance. Now Ivan, if I need to explain to you, I don't know if you ever came before for my workshop. My workshop is highly sold out. Every week I have people coming looking for me. If you came for my workshop, Ivan, I would never advise you to watch volume, because volume is traditional technical analysis, and I don't really bother about volume. Like I mentioned in yesterday's video, I will say this one more time. I'm heavily focused on timing. Okay, so if you ask me Valiance now, not bad, but I won't bother this stock because it's not a good stock in my opinion. Okay, Ezion. Okay, Chomeng. Yesterday I was watching this stock called Ezra. I think it was a 7475 and it went up to 79. And today's the high is 89. Yeah, today the high is not. Today the high for Ezra is 9 cents. So in these 2 days, Ezra has gained 30 cents. So Ezion will definitely follow a little bit, not much, because Ezion and Ezra, I think they mostly have the same operator. It's just that one is more towards the mid-cap stock, one is in the ultra-penny stock. So Ezion, as long as Ezra runs, Ezion will follow a little bit, not much. Okay. Oh, John, Viking. Okay, let me take a look. Hold on. Okay, I'm very bullish on Viking. Why? Hold on, let me see the chart. Okay, I'm very bullish on Viking. Why? Because the stock, first of all, okay guys, before I continue, I keep remembering things. Before I talk about Viking, like I said, I'm very bullish, but before we talk about Viking, guys, don't ask me any questions now. Let me explain what's happening to the market. I think that's more important, that you learn something out of this video. Now, any one of you click on my blog yesterday at about 5 p.m. Type yes or no, just put it there in the comment section. Yes or no, 5 p.m. about there, you saw my blog post. Yes? Anyone? Okay. I don't know if anyone watched my blog yesterday 5 p.m. Okay, yes. Mr. Yang, if you see my blog yesterday 5 p.m., I mentioned something. It is so important. That thing is the catalyst. That thing is the catalyst for the market today. Okay, let me dig out the blog post. Give me a minute. We don't put any more comments there. Let me talk about what happened yesterday first at 5 p.m. Okay, after market close, when I put my blog post. Okay, let me go there. Okay, yesterday, sorry guys, I am so sorry. It's not 5 p.m. It's 4 p.m. Okay, but anyway, if you saw the blog yesterday 4 p.m., I mentioned something. I said the shipping and marine stocks were pretty in play due to auto marine having some takeover news. So that's the theme. And then yesterday night, guys, you won't believe this. Yesterday night, auto marine released a news. They say they are having more negotiations with the potential buyer for extra 2 more days. I think so. That was the news. So this morning the news was released, and if you watch the market in the morning, there were a lot of stocks, mostly shipping stocks, started to run. Okay, and can you see the analysis when I did at 4 p.m. On auto marine? There was some takeover news. Immediately the next day, the news, which is today, the news released. They are taking 2 more days in this trading halt to negotiate more with the potential buyers, and that catalyst of the takeover news or that privatization news, whatever it is the drive for all the marine stocks today. And true enough, if you see stocks like Costco yesterday, some of you asked me about Costco yesterday, it ran. What are stocks that ran? What are the marine stocks that ran? Hold on. Costco yesterday it ran. Valiant starting to show some form of activity, and it appeared in the top volume, as you can see, number 4 in the top volume. And then VAT continued to run. VAT was 194, 195 this morning. So yesterday, because of that news from Auto Marine, it created the whole marine sector to run. So when you ask me about Viking, I'm telling you this. These 2 days, the marine sector will continue, and Viking, if you see the chart, the daily chart for Viking is at the bottom. Okay, today was the first day breakout, so I'm very bullish on Viking. Okay, guys, you all guys watch Viking closely. Now the price for Viking is 4.8 cents to 4.9 cents. Watch this stock closely. I think it's going to shoot. If not today, this week. If not this week, maybe tomorrow. Watch it closely, because these 2 days is a very crucial day. It's a very crucial 2 days because of Auto Marine, the news in Auto Marine. Okay, so watch Viking very closely, guys. Okay, I'm watching closely as usual. I may take a position. I don't know. But the thing is this: while doing this live video, it's very hard for me to concentrate. Oh, guys. Viking is now 5 cents. As we speak now, it's already 5 cents. Okay, watch it closely. Okay, watch it closely soon. Okay, the problem is when I do this video, it's very hard for me to concentrate watching the market, especially when the market is at its fireworks stage, where a lot of stocks they are starting to run. It's hard for me to do a video and talk in front of this camera and then watch the stocks, because I am also interested to make money. It's just that while talking, it's hard for me to execute trades. Okay, so Viking is now 5 cents as we speak. It was a 4.748. Now it's 5 cents. Watch it closely. It's going to run anytime soon. Watch it closely. Okay, I'll take some more questions. I'll take 2 or 3 more questions before I watch for 1 minute. Okay, Edward, ISR Capital. Let me take a look. I'm watching Viking. In fact, I'm just watching Viking. Okay, so ISR Capital. Edward, no, I'm not bullish on ISR Capital, and I'm not playing ISR Capital. Audrey, Parkson Retail is not the stock in play now, I believe. Let me take a look, double check. Yes, I won't be touching Parkson Retail now, okay? Sino Gradus, Renee, I think I just mentioned earlier on, Sino Gradus, it has reached the selling zone, and that is why a lot of sellers emerged, okay? So short term, I expect Sino Gradus to come down a little bit. Okay, hold on, I'm watching Viking now. Okay, Sino Gradus, I answered, yes, okay. China Aviation, I just, okay, hold on. Oz Group, I just mentioned, it just ran. I will be touching Oz Group. Okay, good one. Paul Lee. Yesterday, I was watching Terratech. If I'm correct, I think Terratech is going to have a takeover news or RTO news, whatever it is. It's trading hot today, and I believe, from my experience, I think Terratech is going to have a RTO or takeover news. Okay, watch it the next few days. So tomorrow is Thursday. The next day is Friday. So within these 2 days, the news will come out. Okay. Hi Ron, what's your take on SCI? What's SCI? What's SCI? I don't know. I can't find my stock list. GCCP. Okay, GCCP. Okay, Gap. Yesterday, during this live video session, I was sharing about GCCP. Not too short, look too long at the right time. Today, the stock, I think in like early in the morning, it was already running in the top volume. So, already ran. I won't be touching GCCP now. Okay, let me take a look. Double check. Okay, Gab, if I need to answer you, I'm still bullish on GCCP. I may take a position, I may not, but I'm more interested in Viking at this stage of time because the marine and shipping sector is the bullish sector at this moment of time. Okay. Sembcorp industry is the oil industry. Let me take a look. Sembcorp. Yes, I'm still bullish on Sembcorp. I'm still bullish on Sembcorp industry. I'm looking long when there's weak selling, when there's some reactions here and there, but definitely I would not chase a breakout. Like I mentioned yesterday, if you chase stocks at breakout, there's a tendency for you to cut loss. So I will not be chasing a breakout. Terratech, will it be impact? Maybe, I'm not sure, but Terratech just went halt. In fact, yesterday when I was doing this live video with my manager, David, I was telling him, David, this stock, Terratech, and we were so busy watching other stocks that we totally missed out Terratech. Okay, but anyway, it went hot. You can't do any more things. You just have to wait for the news to release. Okay, Swissco. Okay, Mr. Chiu, you came yesterday for my workshop. I believe, and in this video yesterday I talked about Swissco. Guys, I want all of you to go watch the video I did yesterday. In that video, I talked about Swissco being a flushed, and I told everyone in that video, Swissco is going to move upwards. So today, Swissco ran up. The prediction came true again. Okay, so it's just one day thing. Some of my students make money in Swissco. They traded, and within one day they made some money here and there. Okay, so today I'm very happy because I gave some WhatsApp calls. And I'm happy those who joined me yesterday during my workshop, they saw our calls, and I believe they are in the money now. Okay guys, take a break now. Give me 2 minutes. I'm watching some stocks because the market is moving. I've got positions in oh guys, Terry, thank you. Viking is 5-2. Okay, now I don't know how to explain this, but this is as good as it gets. As I talk about Viking, as I share about Viking is now 5-2. What more can I say, guys? I mean, over the years of trading, like I said, I'm watching Viking. I'm interested in the stock. Okay, over the years, I did many live trading, and this is just as good as it gets. In front of all of you whom I don't know, Viking ran. That's all it matters. Okay, guys. Okay, give me 2 minutes, guys, as I talk, as a service, as I help some of you guys answering questions. I'm not trading. I didn't even have time to click a buy button in Viking. and it just ran. It cost my opportunity, but that's alright, no problem. As long as you guys are happy with my calls or whatever it is, that's all it matters, okay? Give me a minute, give me 2 minutes, okay? Okay, let's watch. Now I want to show all of you this. All of you, take a look at this. Can you see Viking? Can you see Viking? Okay, so I'm watching one stock called Viking. The others I'm not so much interested in, because Viking is the marine sector that hasn't ran as of earlier in the morning. Okay, so Viking was the one. Okay. Okay. Okay, hold on guys, hold on. Okay. Diana, thank you for joining my program yesterday. I really can't believe it. I saw it at 4.6 and now 5.1, but we should not chase. Yes, Diana, you should not chase. I think I gave a Viking call earlier in the morning. I am so happy, Diana, because you joined me yesterday and you saw it live today, right in front of your face. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the WhatsApp that I sent out. And I hope you made money, definitely. Okay? If you miss it, don't worry. There'll be a new WhatsApp that will be given, but I gotta do it at the right time. I cannot give it when the time is not right. Okay? So I will continue to watch the stock. Okay, guys, I'll tell you what. I've got to take a 10 to 20 minutes break. I will do this video part 2 at 3:45 to 3:50. I'll come back at 3:45 to 3:50. Okay, let me do some work. I got to watch the market. I missed an opportunity in Viking. I got to do some work. I'll see you guys at 3:45, 3:50. Please log in at 3:45, 3:50 and don't miss it. Okay, guys? That is the most exciting timing. Okay? Okay, let me finish my work first. I'll see you guys later. Okay, guys? Thanks.